The SAC family is a simple, attractive, and versatile series of AV stands and tables in multiple sizes. The high-quality, easy-to-assemble stands blend with virtually any decor. The AVF SDC800-A supports flat-panel TVs up to 42. The black tempered glass and durable chrome legs modernize any space, while the angled corners provide multiple room placement options, including into corners to maximize space and viewing angles. Arrange your various AV components on the middle and bottom shelves. Widespread feet are becoming more common on TVs. For TVs with this base configuration, please measure carefully and compare to the dimensions of these TV stands to ensure the TV will fit on the TV stand. TVs with traditional pedestal-style base will fit on this stand with no issues. If you are unsure, it may be best to purchase the next largest size TV stand, or a replacement pedestal base for your TV. AVF offers pedestal-style TV bases for sale separately for all TVs if needed. Top reviews from the United States. Nice TV stand. Glass is heavy enough to seem sturdy without being too heavy to move. Quickest and easiest assembly I've ever done. 4 thin rods go all the way through, with decorative posts that make it look nicer. For $50 it's a great deal. Picture shows 42 TV on top. Just make sure to measure your TV's base and compare to listed dimensions so you know it fits before you buy.